Hi guys, welcome to this week's video. Today I just kind of want to do a little flick through through some of the work that I'm currently working on and also answer some questions that you guys asked me on Instagram. Also, my Instagram is kimberly's.illustrations if you guys are interested to see more of my work and kind of like work in progresses. Anyways, so let's start off with a question. Okay, first question. How old are you? I'm 18. I'm actually going to be 19 tomorrow. It's my birthday tomorrow. Okay, next question. What motivates you to keep making more new art? The thing is, I've kind of got myself into like a routine of like drawing every day. So even if I don't feel like it, I sit down and like start off with a rough sketch. And eventually, most of the time, it just turns into like me spending a couple of hours drawing. Okay, next question. Are you a full-time artist? The thing is, I just finished my first year at university. I did a foundation, but my plan is to not carry on with the university and actually like start working full-time. So that is my goal. So I guess now I could call myself that. Yeah. Where do you find inspiration? I would say that the biggest chunk of my inspiration comes from artists on Instagram. Some of my favorite artists currently are Humid Peach, Cadavra.art, and Alpe_FA. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but I'll link all of their links below. Okay, next a question. Art tools. Okay, so for most of my sketching, I honestly just use any pencil that I can find like laying around. I usually use an HB or a 2B, so I would say that the brand doesn't really matter, but a few of you were asking which mechanical pencil I use. I use the Graph Gear 1000 Pentel, so if you guys want to buy it, you can get it, but honestly, any mechanical pencil is fine. And for watercolors, I use Windsor and Newton's, and for acrylics, I use System 3. I think that's it. If I miss something out, I'll have like a list below with all the links of the stuff I use. Next question. How long have you been doing art for? I started as a child, I guess, but I mean, everyone does. But then at the beginning of primary school, my mom started taking me to like after school classes. It was once a week. And we would do just like there would be a still life and we'd have to like paint it or draw it using different mediums. And I did that until secondary school. So I feel like that helped me a lot in like getting better in terms of technique. Because like if you think about it, that's a lot of hours. And then in secondary school, I kind of did a bit of like independent teaching, I guess. I'm just watching like YouTube videos and artists on YouTube just explain like techniques and stuff. I did take art GCSE and art A level, and now I'm I currently just finished my first year at university. I did illustration and printmaking, like a foundation year. That's pretty much that question. Okay, next question is, how do you stop yourself from doubting your abilities within art and any other subjects? By the way, I love your art. Thank you so much. To be honest, like, you have to understand that you're gonna fail eventually and you can't really like not fail. The thing is, a lot of my old artwork was not great, and to be honest, I don't think any artist starts off being like amazing. I mean, maybe there's like 0.00001% of the population, but most artists, they put in hours and hours of practice. So if you put in like the hours and kind of the thing is there you have to have a balance of like practicing. Well, this is my view, I don't know if this is correct, but you should be able to kind of discipline yourself to teach yourself new techniques, whether it be like through an online course or like online YouTube videos or even just going to classes. But then you also need to kind of apply that knowledge and then practice every day, I would say. So I don't know, doubting your abilities, I guess, like the having the idea in your head that like you're gonna have to be bad at first to improve, then I don't know, that's what I think. Anyways, okay, I just realized we got to the end of the sketchbook, so I've run out of time to answer all the rest of the questions, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I really appreciate your support. And yeah, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.